Alright, what's going on everyone? Today is May 29th, 2026. Today I'm going to be going over the markets and a recap of how I made $4,500 today. So, today I actually had work at 6 a.m. So I had gotten up at 5 in the morning. As you can see, I took this trade at around 5:05. So I got up this morning. I went to sleep late, so I had an idea of what was going on in the charts, and it played out exactly how I wanted to. So my trade was around up here. Yeah. So on the hourly, this is us. Here, let me So we had come down. This is a 4-hour gap right here. We had come down, tapped this 4-hour gap, created a doge. Beautiful displacement out of this. I saw this. I was like, great. We're probably going to all-time highs. This was my drawn liquidity up here. Okay, so then on the hourly, great. So the 30-minute. Obviously, it's a little slower. It's 5 a.m. right now, so the market moves really slow during this time. So I thought I'd just set and forget and I'd be good. So I wanted a good entry. So on the 5-minute, I saw this. We had a little retrace into a 15-minute gap. Or was it a 30-minute? Yeah, there's a 30-minute gap here. Also, we had another retrace. 30-minute, the 15, a beautiful reaction out of it. But I wanted a little bit more confirmation because we were kind of chopping around. So on the 5-minute, we got another little retrace here. We swept this internal low right here. Oops. Hello? This internal low right here. We swept that. We got nice displacement out of it. And I just wanted to see us fully like commit and come through. This was a nice 15-minute close. But this close, this 5-minute close here was my entry because I saw that we displaced out of this. So once we make it through above this, that tells me, okay, if we're truly bullish, if we're truly going to take out this all-time high, we don't need to come back down and re-sweep that low. So my low originally was here, and I was targeting this internally and then all-time highs externally right here. So I sized in here. I had a fresh eval right here, and this is where I went wrong. So yesterday I kind of went on tilt a little bit. I had a bad day. I had 2 daily loss limit combines. So if you don't know, these are brand new, and what it is it's $10 cheaper, so you pay $85. But they automatically come with a loss limit of $1,000, so you don't blow up. Like once you hit 1,000, you're locked out. And yesterday on these accounts, and there's a little slippage obviously, so I lost 1,100. Took 16 trades. Don't worry about that. But today, I sized in heavy. So unfortunately, it would have been bad for me if it didn't play out because they would have been blown, and I forgot that I had already lost $1,000 on them because when I'm in 2 micros here, my stop loss here is useless. If it would have retraced to like here, it would have knocked me out. Unfortunately, that's my bad. I forgot that. Fortunately, and thank God, it played out. So this is my entry roughly. After another retrace, I entered here. 33 points, and it basically flushed straight to TP. I was literally getting ready in the bathroom, and I was watching on my phone. I was like, oh, let's go. Hit beautifully right there. 33 points with 2 minis. So that's $1,500 across 3 accounts. So this one's half passed. This is a regular combine. I accidentally bought a regular one instead of daily loss limit, so lost $10 there. But and then these 2 are back to break even plus 350 each. And I'm glad I had it at this internal high because once we hit that, it did look like the market needed to reverse to grab some more liquidity. And originally, the idea of the trade would have played out regardless. Like, let's say we had to come down first. Eventually, we would have came all the way right back up and hit it, like, over there. So even if it didn't hit right there, if I had had the 2,000, like, this account would have been fine. The other ones, not so much. But thank God we didn't need that. We just needed the 30 points right there. And yeah, played out beautifully, man. Very, very good day today. Very good setup. And then New York session also, I wanted to taper what I would have taken. So we opened up here. We opened up here. 9:30. This is where we opened up. This is 9:30 a.m. low. A few trades I saw today. I didn't really see anyone take. We instantly, so where's all-time highs here? All-time highs have already been taken. So we're at all-time highs. And if you guys don't know, all-time high conditions, if you're a continuation trader like me, like, it's very simple. You basically wait for an invalidation of a retracement to tell you that we're going higher, and that's it. So what do I see here? We've already swept all-time highs. This is all-time highs. We already swept that. We get a nice pump up. We retrace 3 candles into this 1 minute fair value gap. Beautiful. Out of it. Look at this displacement. 50-point candle. I could have taken a long on here. And when you're at all-time highs, there's no targets, right? What I like to do is what makes sense. If we're displacing this much, we should the market should minimum give us a 1-to-1 ratio. So I want to target minimum 50 points. Obviously, you can leave a runner or whatever you want to do. So you target 50 points there. 1-to-1. This plays out beautifully, and you could even hold it to a what? 1-to-3 here. A 1 to 2.2 is what it gave. Obviously, leave a runner, but that's a simple trade. And then again, same thing here. Right here. Little retrace into this breaker block. Long right here out of this. Bang. Another 1-to-1. Plays out beautifully. And then, once we came up here, we see this change of state in delivery. So right here, we failed to create a higher high. Instead, we create a higher low. We get a retrace into this gap. And what do we get out of it, guys? Displacement. Look at this displacement. You could have waited till this displacement just to fully be safe. I probably would have taken it here and maybe even added on some size. Stop above this, and you could even target the 9:30 a.m. low. So down here, plays out beautifully. These are just the few trades I saw today. And yeah, so this was hopefully my goal by the end of the next week is to get allocated on these 3 accounts so we can start being funded again. But yeah, so that is going to wrap up the market recap for the day. And yeah, hope everyone has a great weekend. And I will be back Monday with another recap.